Guys, IBB here. Let me show you the Smartthings hub hooked into the zWave key lock. This is awesome. I've been wanting to do this for a while. First of all, there's the hub, Smartthings hub. Size of my palm. There's the hue for comparison. It's about the same size. So let's close this door. Here's the front door, which is unlocked. Oh gee, I forgot to lock it. And here it is, I'm sitting down. There's the echo on top of the fireplace. You can see my if then that recipe right there. Pretty simple. So I'll say, Alexa, trigger lock the front door.
Sending that to it.
3 seconds. Pretty cool. Took me 15 minutes to set this thing up. All right, all right, all right.